Hi, welcome to our tutorial on installing Python on Windows. The first step is to download the Python installer. Simply type Python download into your preferred search engine. Click on the official Python website link. Once on the Python website, navigate to the download section. Here you will find various versions of Python. Choose the one that best suits your needs. Click on the download button for the latest version of Python. Wait for the download to complete. Once the download is finished, open the downloaded file to start installation process. Here, please don't forget to mark a tick on add python.exe to path. Click on custom installation. Here, please check the features you would like to add with Python. Choose the advanced options and installation directory if you need other than default. The installer will now install Python on your system. This may take few moments. Once the installation is complete, you will see that Python was installed successfully. To verify that Python was installed correctly, open the command prompt and type python version. You should see the version of Python you just installed displayed in the command prompt. And there you have it. Python is now installed on your Windows system. Thank you for watching.